Hello, my name is Vanessa of Bright Smile Academy. Today you are going to learn new vocabularies in Smile 5 Unit 8. Cow, cow, cow. Can you spell cow? C-O-W. Can you spell it? C-O-W. Cow. Donkey, donkey, donkey. Can you spell donkey? D-O-N-K-E-Y. Can you spell it? D-O-N-K-E-Y. Donkey. Goat, goat, goat. Can you spell goat? G-O-A-T. Can you spell it? G-O-A-T. Goat. Duck, duck, duck. Can you spell duck? D-U-C-K. Can you spell it? D-U-C-K. Duck. Horse, horse, horse. Can you spell horse? H-O-R-S-E. Can you spell it? H-O-R-S-E. Horse. Rooster, rooster, rooster. Can you spell rooster? R-O-O-S-T-E-R. Can you spell it? R-O-O-S-T-E-R. Rooster. Rabbit, rabbit, rabbit. Can you spell rabbit? R-A-B-B-I-T. Can you spell it? R-A-B-B-I-T. Rabbit. Sheep, sheep, sheep. Can you spell sheep? S-H-E-E-P. Can you spell it? S-H-E-E-P. Sheep. Let's read the new words. Cow, donkey, goat, duck, horse, rooster, rabbit, sheep. Good job! Thank you and goodbye!